Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ngasi video ase akoi protein supplement natabada karama food sources tagi protein phangba yagani aduga yamna easily market available oiba food sources ki maramda aina semjabani ado mayamna video se last page view aduga I channel se subscribe to bita taraga please subscribe to biramu like to biramu and share to biramu aduga sigi video se last page view aduga karama food sources tagi akoi protein phangba yagani adugi full informations to mayam video se last page nga mayam puna khangmina se top 5 tamjari was a fish ni adudi akoi yam commonly used over adudi akoi market as easily available oi aduga akoi na se afford tawamba protein food sources amani adu fish ta akoi na hen high protein phangba is tuna fish le salmon le tilapia asing fish yamna highly protein available oiba fish ni adu so atopa fish man consume to yani adu tamakten si top 5 tamsebani 4 line tamjari se milk ni aduri akoi packaging milk ko ba na traga koina single local lai akoi lo any milk ko ba aduri asisi de akoi atopa nutrients so ma'am available oi adu protein high phangba sina top 4 tamjabani adu ma'am protein ki sources the milk use to ba yagani milk sina ko atopa ma'am minerals atopa ma'am present oi adu akoi protein food sources the milk se top 4 tamjabani ma'am milk use to ba yagani top 3 tamjai is legumes ni aduri akoi hawai trap kumba uri aduri beans varieties of bean ma'am le adu kumse akoi protein food sources da akoi chanba protein food ngatani aduri damakta ma'am asi se akoi seasonable ta jagani aduga akoi gi main food aduri breakfast natural lunch natural dinner any madam da akoi asi se mix tawra akoi protein damakta asi se ko seasonable yagani adu mayam asi se use to ba yagani asi jam easily market oi aduga akona afford so tawngani asi protein food sources se two la thamjari ba sai na app wise ni aduri yang commonly use to ba aduga akoina market easily available oi ba adu yang cheap oi ba protein food sources ni aduri akoina non base oi ba taragadi asi ki protein sources se use to ba yagani aduga me base oi ba taragadi ai video da top 1 day 4 ba kimang da top use to ba yagani adubu white egg se yamna commonly use to ba protein sources ni adu me asi se ko add to ba yagani akoi meal da aduga protein me amna nongmagi akoi use to ning ba protein asi ga ko complete to ba yagani top 1 tamjai is lentils ni aduri mosori hawai asigumba se akoi yamna Indian market aduga Indian kitchen se matam pron available oiba akoi gi protein sources food amani adu ma'am asi se protein da makta sijina ba yagani aduga akoi na packaging aduri whey protein use to in the word target assigumba ma'am sina akoi protein se nongmagi akoi na mathau taiba protein intake se akoi sina complete oin mangangoni adu ma'am asi se afford to ba jangoni aduga easily available oiba protein ngatani masidi matang ase lotion jarake ado me amne video punama yang video taraga di channel visit to view aduga fat loss muscle gain any program ai channel la yang view aduga me amne channel subscribe to view aduga subscribe button mark le notifications bell to press to view aduga ai channel se aduga friend circle amasung aduga family da share to view thank you